Do you have a 2014 to 18 Silverado like I do, and you're looking for an awesome car mount? I think I got a solution for you. Okay, folks, in order to install this, this is what we got. We got Course Motorsports Qi2 wireless charger mount, and in the box, this is what you get. Once I pop it open, you get the instructions here. If your phone is not MagSafe capable, you got this ring here. We don't need it. Here's your actual charging mount that is wireless, has the indicator at the top. Also, you got a USB-C to C cable. And then also, you have a cigarette lighter plug-in that has a USB-C or USB-A plug-in. Here's your mount for our application, 2014-18 Silverado. There's your ball. Allen wrench. So in order to install this on your pickup truck, what you need is a 9/32 ratchet of your choice and your trim tool. So let's go ahead and get this installed on our truck. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the trim with the trim tool here. And I like to start kind of low and just work my way around. Just clips, pretty easy, straightforward stuff. Okay. There's one over here. Pop that off like so. Now, you can mount either on this side here, on that side there. Being that I got the gear shift here, I'm gonna do it over here. So this is where you grab your 9/32 socket and wrench. Put it in reverse. Take this off here. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our mount and screw. Install it behind that radio. Okay. Our 9/32. Okay, that's securely mounted. A ball and our Allen wrench. Get that started on the stud there. Allen wrench to tighten it. Nice. And then finally we go back with the trim. Just take your time, push it in place. Cool. And then you take the Qi charger support base here. You want to go ahead and take that ring nut off. Put it on the ball first. Push this on all the way. I'm going to put the indicator up. Put the indicator, see if I can get this right. Put the indicator up. Tighten this up. Okay, tighten it up like so. We got the indicator up, and that's it. So my truck doesn't have the cigarette lighter anymore, but I have a different plug-in and you can put it here like so. Now we're gonna turn on the key. We actually got an indicator light that just came on. It's going up through his booting process with the radio, doesn't matter. Here's my 15 phone here, and if I unlock it, it's charging. And there you are, y'all. That is clean. I don't necessarily have to use it for charging. You can just unplug it, and there you have it, you know. Yeah, that's what we want. Yep, that's cool, guys. You can use that orientation. You can use up and down orientation. It's not in the way of the screen. I mean, that looks good, you all. Yep, that is Course Motorsports 2014 to 18 Silverado Qi wireless mount. And yeah, I'm happy with it. So we'll give this some time. We'll report back in and let you all know how good this product is. But right now, right off the rip, I like the way it looked. So that's awesome. And with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, where we're sitting up here making modifications to cars and taking the mystery out in the camp. We'll see y'all next time.